there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very first goodie box of 2021. I am very excited to see what this year is going to bring. We got the little booklet right here, and we got some beautiful pink paper, and I think the sticker completely missed its mark over here. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's open up the box, and we've got a card from HelloFresh, which I don't really care about. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, let's start off with one of the biggest things in here, which is from, it's number one, Karmamehu, still don't know how to pronounce this brand. The Renew Age Defense Face Brush. Okay, this is what that box looks like, but nobody really cares about the box. I mean, let's be honest. This is what the brush looks like. Oh, it's that kind of a thing? Okay. It's squashed on this side. This is what the brush looks like. See, there we go. I'm not touching the bristles, nor will I touch the bristles, because I can already tell you guys I'm not going to use this. I'm going to give this away to one of you guys. Hold on, let me just place it back without touching the bristles. I'm not really sure what this is. I think this is a booklet with instructions. I don't know, but I already have a machine for my face, so I don't use this. I'm going to pass this away to one of you guys. Okay, so this is, let me just check over here. It's a full size, the Renew Face Brush of Karmamehu, whatever. The worth is a whopping 41 euros. So, speaking about this, make sure, wow, I just bumped my camera. Hold on, let me fix this. There we go. Speaking about giving stuff away, I am still about 10 or 11 subscribers short from giving away that satchel, so make sure to subscribe to my giveaway. A next giveaway will start, and that's where I give away most of these items. So if you want to win one of these items, make sure to check out my giveaway video. It's one of my older videos, so you have to scroll down. But it will always say in the title open or close, and clearly this one's still open. It's international, boy, girl, doesn't matter. We need to reach 600 subscribers. I'm so freaking close, and you guys can help me out if you want, this to hurry up. Then make sure to tell your friends to subscribe to me. The sooner I reach 600 subscribers, the sooner I'm going to give away that satchel, and a new giveaway will start. So don't forget to check that out. Okay, let's move on to something orange. It's from Yabe. Feed your skin, feed your mind. Soothing and nourishing face mask and podcast. Oh, I guess they have a podcast. Okay, so this is what that little sucker looks like. Very cool to have a face mask. I love me a good face mask. Okay, so it's a full size, and the worth is 20 euros. Let's move on to something huge in here, which is from Terra de Mars. It's number 8, the Radition Body Cleanser. Body cleanser. Hold on. Let's see what it says over here. This is French. No. An organic, certified, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Leaves a clean, refreshed, and toned skin without drying it. Dispense into hands, massage onto soaked skin from neck to toe. So it's basically a shower gel. I mean, that's basically what it is. I was a little bit confused when it said cleanser, because I was like, is this a face cleanser? But clearly for your body. Basically shower gel. Let's see, it's a full size, and the worth is 19 euros. That's actually quite a lot, thinking about it, for a simple shower gel. 19 bucks, that's a lot of money. That's like a MAC lipstick, so it's a lot of money. Okay, moving on to Dr. Botanicals, the Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum. A refined blend of ingredients full of nutrients. This is what that little box looks like, and then we're gonna open up the little box, and let's see. This is the inside with a little dropper. See, there we go. This is what that, oh, come on, stop focusing on my face. This is what it looks like. Serums are always highly, highly welcome because serums are the stuff that I really use. Well, of course, I use eye cream, I use serum afterwards, and then I use a moisturizer, but serums are always welcome. Okay, so from Dr. Botanicals, the Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum is worth, oh no, it's, what? Okay, 30 milliliters. This is not 30 milliliters. There's no way in hell. No, this is 15. So this is half. 30 milliliters is worth a whopping 108 euros. So this is half that. So this little sucker is worth 54 euros. I have extremely high expectations for it to be that price point. And I'm already kind of doubting it'll meet that. But okay, you know, like I said, very high expectations. Okay, last up. Box is empty, and the last thing in the, oh boy, in the box is the Verso Nourishing Cream with niacinamide. This is what that little cream looks like over here. There we go. And the worth is 90 euros for 50 milliliters. Again, a lot. This is 15, so it's a little bit less than a third of that. So it's around a little bit less than 30 euros. That's still a lot. And this is actually a cream. So again, high expectations for this sucker. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. One of them I'm going to give away to you guys, worth 41 euros. The rest I'm definitely going to use. We got a lot of pretty expensive items this month, and I cannot wait to test it out and try it out and see whether or not things are actually worth that much. By the way, all of my empties videos are actually kind of reviews as well, because I've used up a product and then I talk about what I've emptied out, but also my experience with that. So all of these items will definitely return in one of the empties videos. Make sure to check that out as well. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another unboxing, I guess. Bye!